like you know me now. Act like you know me. Okay. Woo. That's it right now. That's right, that's right. We're gonna keep it going on. Anybody out here with they boo, they loved one, that's your man, that is her man, y'all. We're gonna give him a little booed up there. This is for y'all, the lovers. I'm looking for somebody. I ain't got no day. I ain't got no day. You know, I'm alright. I'm okay. I'll be better, but you know, I'ma sing about it. I'ma just sing about it. If you sing it, he will come. You ain't never heard that. Hey. Yeah. So deep in my feelings. Yeah. No, this ain't really like me. Can't control my anxiety. Feelings like I'm touching the ceiling. When I'm with you, I can't breathe. Will you do something to me? Ooh, I can never get over you until I pass it with something. Let's go. To give me high like you. Say, yeah. Ooh, I can never get over you until I find something. They give me high like you. Say, listen to my heart go wild. Put up, let go. Be louder. Put up, and my heart go wild. Put up, yeah. Be louder. Won't stop, it go wild. Put up, yeah, baby, louder. Put up, and my heart go wild. Put up, yeah, baby, louder. Head over heels in the love. Right in front of you, ain't gotta do no more, baby. I wanna feel this love. Anything you want, you ain't gotta ask for it. Got me put up, put up, put up, put up. Told you from the jump, I don't wanna choose up. Got me up, up. Hey, grab me by the waist, baby, pull me closer. I can never get over you until I find something you do that keep me high like you do. Say, yeah. Ooh, I can never get over you until I find something you do that keep me high like you do. Say, this is my heart go wild. Put up, yeah, be loud. Put up, my heart go wild. Put up, be loud. And just won't stop, go down. Put up, yeah, be loud. Put up, my heart go wild. Yeah, baby. Put your feelings on safety, so I don't push you and where your heart beats. 'Cause you took the bullet just to save me, and you left the deal with making me bleed. And that's a whole lot of love and trying to waste it. Like we be running the mile and never make it. It's just too beautiful words, don't wanna taste it. It's just too beautiful words, don't wanna face it. I think I just tripping, I'm tripping, I've been slipping. That's how I control this feeling. You keep feeling when you keep on getting real. It's your eyes, it's a picture. Baby, pull your blood, got me tripping on you. Baby, it's picking up, got me tripping on you. Baby, it's picking up, got me tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, boy. Look, tripping on you. Yeah, yeah. Tripping on you. Oh, my bad, look. Said I admit I was wrong when I did it. My bad. Tripping on you. You got a big ego. Such a huge ego. But I love this big ego. It's too much. He talk like this just he can back it up. He got a big ego. Such a huge ego. But I love this big ego. It's too much. He talk like this just he can back it up. Yeah, you know. That's all right. You like that, yeah? You keep standing up for me, sit down and stand back up. I said, she like me. Thank you, thank you. We're gonna keep the party going. We got some Isley Brother fans out there. Y'all like Isley. Some of y'all made y'all children listen to Isley. Yes, you did. They did that. What's up, baby? Come on now. Give me some of that, put the in between the shoes, yeah. There's some grown folks out here. We can do this song right here. That all right?